Hi my friends, welcome to another video of me from Master Handyman channel. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for you guys support and I appreciate it. Today I have a really easy job for myself and I had an appointment from 10 o'clock, so I had to come by and take a look at this wall heater. It's pretty easy money for me. I'm about to get around 700 bucks if I'm going to troubleshoot and find out what happened to this wall heater, because nothing's working at all. And when you turn on the thermostat, I have to troubleshoot and check what's happened to the wall heater and with the wiring and everything. Just be with me. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to troubleshoot the wall heater and the thermostat for the water heater. And one of the tricks that I am going to show you guys is how to adjust the thermostats without replacing the thermostat for the wall heater. There's a trick for it and no one knows about it, but I am going to show you guys in this video how to adjust the thermostat without replacing the thermostat. It's going to take a few minutes.
As you're all
Thank you so
watching
much
my
for
video right
watching,
now, you
guys.
might be wondering that I'm working in the same cadet wall heater because I had the same issues before in my previous video. So right now, the problem I have in here, I have this wall heater with the thermostat. Even if you turn it on all the way to the 90-degree, the heater is not turning on at all, which is I have no idea what's going on with it. I have to troubleshoot the wall wires and everything. So first of all, I'm going to take off the cover from the wall heater, which is there's two screws, one on the top and one in the bottom. You can easily open that with a screwdriver, or if you want to use a drill, you can do that too. So right now I'm trying to go and check it out if we have power in the breaker box, because sometimes the breaker box is not working at all and then we don't get power in the heater, and that's what happens when we try to turn it on and nothing's turning on. So right now I'm going to check one by one every single breaker to see all of them is on, and then after that I will go back and then I will check it out with my tester to see if I get any power and the wires through the wall heater from the wall that I'm going to check it out right now. So to open the wall heater, you can use the drill or you can use the screwdriver. Right now I have my screwdriver. I'm going to open the wall heater. There's only one screw on the top. I'm going to unscrew that one first, and after that we can check the wires for the power. So we're gonna pull it and we will have the ground wire, neutral, and the hot wire. I'm going to use this tester that I have, and I'm going to see if I have power, which is right now, yeah, it looks like I am getting power in the wall heater. When it's beeping red, it shows that I have power. So now I know that I have power in the wall heater. The only thing is I have to figure out what's going on. If something happened to the wall heater, do I have to replace it, or I have to check out the thermostat for the wall heater? Because sometimes we don't need to replace the wall heater, and we just have to check it out to see if anything is wrong with the thermostat, because sometimes it's not shooting the power to the wall heater from the thermostat, and that's what happens. So we have this thermostats in here. Even if I try to put the temperature higher or lower, nothing is working. That's how we are taking the cover out. And as you guys can see right now, the wall heater, the temperature is all the way off, and even if I try to turn it on, it's not working at all. And that's the arrow, and it's completely to the left side, and it's not adjusted at all, so it needs to be adjusted to see if it's working or not. So right now I'm going to adjust the thermostat for the wall heater. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not, so let's see if I get lucky for this one. We just need a flathead screwdriver for this one, and this thermostat, there's a small screws in the bottom part, and then we just have to adjust that screw to the left or to the right side. It depends. Sometimes you have to adjust it to the right side, and then sometimes you have to twist it to the left side, and then it's gonna adjust it. So it depends how it's gonna work. Right now I think the way that I turn it around to the right side, and it's working kind of a little bit, because before it was all the way in the bottom part, the arrow. Right now right now the thermostat is starting from 3 o'clock. I'm going to adjust it a little bit more to the left side. I want the thermostat to start from the 9 o'clock because that's the 50 degrees. Let's check it out right now. Okay, so right now it's turning on and off to the 12 o'clock, and we don't want that because I want the thermostat to turn off and on after 50 degrees, and which is that one is to the 9 o'clock. I'm going to twist the adjust screw to the left side a little bit more until I see the thermostat stopping and starting from the 9 o'clock. And the way that we know that, once we put the cover back on, and then we will see. Since I did this all the time, I know where it's stopping and where it has to stop and start. So as you guys can see right now, the wall heater is turned off, it's not working, and I already adjusted the thermostat. Now I'm going to turn it on. Let's see, there we go. So our heater is working right now. The only problem with our wall heater was the thermostat, that it needs to be adjusted, and I didn't even have to replace the wall heater. And sometimes for some people, when they see the wall heater is not working, they just go right away and to replacing the wall heater. They think that it's not working. So it's not only about the wall heater, it's about the thermostat. So please make sure to check the thermostat before replacing the wall heater. So right now, if you turn on the wall heater, it's starting from the 50 degree all the way to 90 degree. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.